The primary reason sports car insurance costs soar is the elevated risk profile associated with these high-performance vehicles, which statistically lead to more frequent and severe accidents compared to standard sedans. Insurers view owners of sports cars as more likely to speed and engage in reckless driving, resulting in higher premiums. Furthermore, the cost of repairing a sports car often involves specialized, expensive parts and labor, while the high market value and desirability make them prime targets for theft, further driving up the overall price of coverage.